Hi everyone, this is my rendering view from up in my browser here, going down to render here. And I want to make sure that I have my scene settings correct here. So we have scene settings here. I want a solid background white. You can change the color right here, just drag it up to the upper right. And click close here. Nice white background. And I'll click apply, click OK, click close. Okay, then I want to do in-canvas render. Let it run for, I have a pretty robust computer right now, so this runs pretty well. I'm going to let it run. I can drag this over to let it run to here to final. And 14, if I want to keep on going here, I'll let it keep on going for a minute to get a better picture of this here. Okay, once that's done here, I can stop it here. Actually, I ruined it here. I'm going to keep it going. Sorry. We're going to keep it running there. It's going to keep on running. And then once it gets good here, I'm going to save it. Okay, I don't want to stop it. I'll save it there, current document, click OK. I'm going to save it to my desktop. I have a cubes folder on my desktop, so I'm going to create a new folder right now for this here. And I'm on my PC right now, so new folder, cubes, click open, click save, and then I'll save this photo here. This is my photo, and you can upload it to Canvas. And I'll stop that there. And now I'm going to go over to drawing, and I want to do from design. And click OK. You don't need to change anything here. Once you do this here, then this will pop up. And you can see when I first pop up, something like this pops up. What I want to do here, I'm going to change my orientation. I'm going to start with my top view. Okay, top view, and I'm going to click, drag over. I want it to be 1-to-1. I want it to be shaded. Okay, I'll select shaded here, and then I can click OK. Once you click OK, my top view is the black area here. So that black area is the only thing I want to show. So I can go in and I can unhighlight the eyeball, and I think it's number 1 for me there. And there's my top view. And then I'm going to go here, up top here, base view again. And I'm going to go front view, or down to bottom. I'm going to go shaded, drag over. And I'm just going to do my best here to keep these in line. Give it a nice space. Make sure it's shaded. Click OK. Then I want to hide. I'm hiding 1, hiding 2. I think I'm hiding all these ones here if I keep them in order. You can unclick on, oh, wrong one there. So I want to make sure I get the right one here. There we go. And then I click to the side. Base view. Going over. Do 3 up top here. And then I'm going down to my left view. And click shaded, click OK. And then I'm going to go here. I can toggle these on and off and see what I got here. We'll see if it's this one. Nope. It's got to play. And I believe, wrong one. This one here. Okay, base view again. We got 3 more to do. And I'll run through these real quick here. Doing right, shaded, down here. Click OK. And I'm going to hide certain views. Let's see what views. Oop, I want that blue. So let's bring that back. I want that one. Boom, boom. And click to the side. Base view. Don't worry about these extra colors. That's just a bug with the program. Once we render it again or save it, it should disappear. Front, shaded. Okay. And come on down here. Get rid of those ones. I want that one there. Green. And then I'm going to the last one here. I'm going to go to the back view. Pop that over here. Shaded. Click OK. And going down the line here. I think it's 6. Yeah. Just gotta play with it and see which ones it is. Okay, now I can close up these browsers, close all that up there, clean that up. I'm gonna add text here, so I'm gonna go text and simply drag and drop here like so. Boom. Okay, I believe this one's my top view, so I'm gonna go TOP, capital top view. I'm gonna center it up here. I'm gonna keep this all the same here, 0.12, Arial, close. And I can drag that around a little bit to center it up there. Then I'm going to copy and paste it, Control C, Control V. And you can see I can just drag this over. Click, click OK. I'm going to copy and paste this one, Control C, Control V. And I can click and I can drag over. Click OK. And then Control C, we'll do this one, Control C, Control V. Click, drag straight down. Keep it in line there. Right there, so. And obviously you can make these here, you can do them all. I'm just doing it so they stay in line. Boom. Escape. Oh. Control C, Control V. Go over. Click OK. And you should be doing, I'm on the Windows machine, so you should be doing Command C, Command V. And one more over there. Click OK. You see here I got that gray, so I'm going to click on this here. I'm going to find which one that is. I think 1, 2, 3. So I'm going to close this up here. It should be this one here. Let's see what's popping up weirdly. There we go. It's just being a rendering issue there. Cool. That looks good. Now I want to put my rendering view over here. Oh, I want to change these here. Sorry. Okay, so we can know what views these are. If I go back here to my base, I can see, okay, I got my first one up top here. Click on base here. It's going to be top, bottom, left. Okay, so top view. Click on this one. I'm going to change this to bottom view. Left view. And then I have the last couple here, right, front, back. Okay, so right view, and you can copy mine off canvas too. Right view, right view. Sorry, I've already forgot. Right, front, back. Okay. So my front view, and then my back view. We got two there. Delete that one. Two on top of each other, back view. Down here, for project title here, I'm going to put Engineering Tech Puzzle. I'm going to keep this all capitalized. And then the title here will be Puzzle Cube. On here, you don't really change anything else. Your name and everything should be down here. We are going to put the Park City logo in here, so I'm going to do that next. So on Canvas, I'm going to drag Canvas over here. So that's the wrong course. Let's drag Engineering Tech. Okay. For Engineering Tech here, you want to make sure that I'm going to open up the final drawing. And I want to download the PCHS logo. So download this here. Then it should download. It should go to your downloads folder. We'll go back to Fusion here. In Fusion, then I can go to Insert. I can go to Insert Image and Insert from my computer. I'm going to go to my Downloads. Here's my logo. Click Open. I'm going to change this here. And you can click here. You can click and drag around. The scale is going to be 0.8. That's the best way. And then I can rotate it around if I want to. I don't want to rotate. I'm just going to move it on the X and Y axis. So I can just click down here in the upper right. And you can see here, click down, keep on going down. You can type, like this might be negative 1.2. 1.2. See what that does. A little lower. Need to right click. Can I get back into it? Should be Control. I'm going to Control Z. I think once you lock it there, it's hard to get it back. So I'm going back here, delete that. Okay, insert logo. I'm going to go right there. And then I just have to, I'm going to go negative 2. Let's go negative 1.7. That looks like. We'll bring this down to 0.8. Negative 1.4. Let's do negative 1. Negative 1 looks pretty good. And then I'm going to go over negative 0.5 and see what that looks like. Now I'm just typing these in. You can obviously use the arrows to try and figure it out. Looks pretty good right there. I'm going to go negative 0.55. And we'll move it over a little bit more. Click OK. Okay, just want to get it centered up the best you can there. We don't need to add anything else on here. We can save that. It's automatically saving. We'll export this here in a minute. Last thing I'm going to do here is I'm going to put our isometric view up here. You can either do this two ways. So insert image, and then I can insert from my computer because I have on my computer, on my desktop, I should have a folder titled cubes, and I can insert it this way. And you can see this is my, if I click here, you can see it's really small for some reason. I don't know why it's that small on my computer right now. But I can scale it up here. Let's say I want to scale up to 5, a little big. I can't go in, and I should be able to. If I click OK, I can make this smaller. You can see here. So I'll zoom back out here. I can move this around. But the problem is it's a giant rectangle. And there's no way in Fusion that I know of to change the size of this here. So what I found is the best way to do this here is that you want to open it up in your folders, and I'm going to open it up in my desktop here, cubes, and then I'm going to take a screenshot of this here. So for me here, on your Mac it'll be Command-Shift-4, Windows-Shift-S for me, and I'm going to take a screenshot of this area right. Oh, that's weird. Doing a weird screenshot there, so let's try Windows-Shift-S again. I want to do full screen mode. Windows-Shift-S. There we go. Now it's a little bit better. Now I'm just going to get a nice picture of that cube, like a square. And come back to Fusion, and I want to make sure I save that here. This is a little bit different than a PC, but I are on a save this here, save it to my desktop, and this will be my cube rendering. Save, close it, and then I'm going to insert that right up here again. Insert image from my computer, cube rendering, open, and we'll do click here, see what that looks like. I'm going to scale it up a tiny bit. Let's do 1.5. And then I can move it around here too. Just want to get it in the upper left there, so click OK. We'll see if it should let me move this. Yeah, it lets me want to move this one. For some reason, you can't move the Parksy logo one. Yeah, that goes there. That black border should disappear when we actually save this here. If it does not, I might need to take another screenshot. But this is what you want you to submit here. This is our isometric view. We have our 6 different views here. Then export PDF. Okay, I'm going to open my PDF just to make sure it looks okay. Click OK. I'm going to save this to my computer. I'm going to save it in my cubes folder, and this will be final drawing. I'll put BG at the end. And we'll see if this gets rid of that black line, which I believe it did. And it should look something like this when you're ready to submit it. And we will print them off in class. All right. That's going to be the end of this video, everyone.